What's going on, guys? I am out here at a hiking trail with my DR10 Deadbolt, or DR10 Scx10. I was working on my DR10 earlier, or my DR10. Man, I can't think. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It's pretty windy, but I'm gonna go check out this trail. I haven't been here for a long time. It's quite a hike, but there is a creek bed out here, so I'm hoping just to sort of hit that, and hopefully you guys can see the rig. There's lots of rocks, lots of volcanic rocks. I don't know if I should really go off trail. I think it's technically a national park and stuff like that. You see a rock, you're gonna crawl it, right? There we go. Oh, no drag brake. What the heck? Wow, drag brake kind of sucks. So yeah, hopefully I'll get some cool shots once I get down here. It's sort of sprinkling. You can see all around me. There's Red Bluff. There's clouds and flat. Kind of some hills right here I'm at, but cloudy, windy. Hopefully it's not too windy. If it's windy, I'll just mute it, do a voiceover. Get a shadow out of the shot. Oh yeah, it looks like it gets pretty rough trail right off the get-go. It's flat. I was hoping I didn't have to walk too far before it got really rock crawling. I need to get some brass upgrades for this thing, but it's so old. This is the original Scx10, and yeah, it needs upgrades. Shortcut, I want to take it. Probably should stay on the trail. Oh, what a just angle. I think I can make it all the shots. Alright. Oh. To the wildflowers. Back under the rocks. I see a rock. I'll try to. Right on the dip. Yeah, I think we can put a tire up on this. Barely snuck the light bar by. Oh, scratched that part. But I made it. drag brake. That's how much it holds. It doesn't hold. There was a big rock I landed on, but I made it. Good call. You guys can see that. This definitely gets real creek beddy in here. Take another look around. You see the trail goes off and off that way. I don't think I plan on going that far. I'm gonna go down and check this creek bed out, or I might even just go a little bit further and then head right back. Seems like a nice trail out here. Once I got down behind the hill, the wind kind of died down. Oh no! Right on there. Oh! See if we can give it a little bit. Some good proper trailing right here. Try to go hard way. Down here, try that myself. Probably hit every good thing you're on the way. Big drop off. Oh yeah. This is some good 10th skill rock crawling right here. I mean, it's not anything too difficult, but it looks like a perfect scale trail. I'm probably just gonna go right down here and then turn around and come back up this. This looks fun. Oh! Back on the wheels. Fix my driver so he's looking where he's going, right? Sun's coming out. Oh. Yeah, that might be all I'm gonna explore for today, just because I think that hill is pretty cool and I know it gets the same over that way. But look at all these rocks, look at all this crawl spot, look at that area to crawl, look at all those lines going up there. I mean, I don't know if mountain bikes come out here or just people hiking. Good crawling spot. I'm gonna get some good close-up shots of crawling up that, I think, now. Well, I'm back and still at the bottom of the hill. I was gonna get some nice close-up shots, but I forgot my tripod in the car. So I'm just gonna crawl back. You guys are gonna watch this way. Maybe I'll set my phone down or something, figure out a way to get at least a short film. But yeah, I'm just gonna crawl. Maybe I'll duck down and try to get you guys a good view. I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, maybe that was a dip hanger. Look at that big old dip hanging rock. Tripping over rocks trying to watch the crawler and not myself. Come on now. Oh, there we go. When in doubt, throttle out, right? Not always. That's how you break stuff. The easy way. Guess I was headed back to the car to get my tripod, but all right, let's go back down that hill and do it again. I went back down the hill so that I could try a different line. I didn't go all the way back down. I didn't check that footage to make sure that I was actually filming what I wanted to do. So I'm just hoping that this works. Look at that big old cavity rock. Come on now. Oh, we got it. Oh, I jinxed it by saying I had it. Back up and try it again. Oh, coming that way. I'm gonna make it through. I'm gonna call it a success. Big rock there. Alright guys, let's head back to the car. Ooh. Dirt trail. Over there, you see a hard one.